Hello everyone, this is my Helmet Aerospace project, and my name is Caleb Dole. First, let's start off at looking at history and growth. Alcoa was the first major player in aluminum and aerospace industry. They were started in 1888, and then they would go on to, in 2016, they would split into two corporations, one still being Alcoa, and then Arconic would be the next one. And they specialized in concentrating on engineered products and solutions, particularly in aerospace and automotive sectors. And then in 2020, Arconic went under some transformations, and they just wanted to build their company up and make their company a little bit better, so they renamed it to Helmet, which is Helmet Aerospace. Then we go on to the growth. The annual report showed that in 2022, they did $5.7 billion in revenue with 21,400 employees in 58 locations and then in 20 countries. Here we see, we're looking at the graph starting in 2011, we can see here. And then you can see that it starts dipping down. And in 2016, whenever they first made that initial split, it didn't really affect anything. I guess it went up for maybe 3 months and then it dropped back down, and they still didn't get anything crazy out of that split. But then later on, they would go in 2020. We can see that transformation where they renamed, and it had a huge drop, so they needed to do something. And then now they're all the way up to 48.05. I guess that was taken on August 3rd, but it's still around $48 a share. A little bit of background. Helmet Aerospace mainly focuses on advanced materials, engineered products, and components to the aerospace and defense sectors, and mainly military. It produces a range of components for aircraft, spacecraft, and including structural components, fasteners, and engine parts. Then here's my references, and thank you.